So if I run select star from this country column, I can see all the countries here. Most of the countries are repeated. I want to see like unique values from this country. Like how many unique values are there in this country column. So if I say country, let me put a country here instead of star. By country from the customers table and execute this. You can see you get all the values, but there are so many repeated values here. You can see USA is repeated so many times, France is repeated so many times, Germany is repeated so many times. I want the unique values of all this country column. So for that we have a function called a distinct. We have a distinct clause. Let me show you how we can use a distinct clause. So we are going to use select, just write a distinct here, distinct, you can see distinct keyword, and you specify the column name, which column name you want to pull out the distinct values. So select distinct column name from the customers table and execute this. So now you can see there are no repeated values inside this. So this is how you can get the unique values from that particular column using a distinct function or distinct clause.